7 tips you need to know before start intermittent fasting. 1. Understanding your goals. Before you jump into intermittent fasting, define your goals. Whether it's weight loss, improved energy, or overall well-being, understanding your objectives will shape your fasting journey. 2. Find your rhythm. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your fasting routine. Start slow and find a fasting rhythm that suits your lifestyle. Consistency is the key. 3. Hydration is non-negotiable. It's not just about quenching your thirst. Staying hydrated helps control hunger, supports digestion, and even enhances fat metabolism. 4. Balanced nutrition matters. Incorporate nutrient-dense foods during your eating window for sustained energy, optimal body functionality, and immune support. Plan your meals in order to nourish your body for lasting health benefits. 5. Listen to your body. Distinguish hunger from cravings, practice mindful eating, and manage energy levels. Adapt your fasting schedule based on your body's signals for a harmonious and sustainable fasting experience. 6. Exercise smartly. Unlock the benefits of exercising during fasting with tailored routines for optimal fat burning and metabolic health. Mix up your workouts and discover how to make fitness and fasting your dynamic duo. 7. Seek professional advice. Ensure a safe and personalized intermittent fasting journey by consulting with healthcare professionals or nutritionists. Receive customized guidance, monitor health indicators, and gain peace of mind, making your fasting experience both effective and health-centric.